let's now get to the latest that's taking place in the Supreme Court as the Supreme Court deals with the issue of the farm laws and the farmer protests. And now remember, the Supreme Court said yesterday it would give a decision on the farm laws today and had questioned the government on holding off on the farm laws and said, why is there a matter of ego? And we can also order that. The Chief Justice today has said matters of life and death. We are concerned with laws. We are concerned with lives and property of people affected by the agitation. Now, ML Sharma, the advocate for some of the farmer unions, has said that the farmer unions have so far said they're not going to participate in the proceedings of the committee that had been suggested by the Supreme Court. And they said that the Prime Minister did not come forward to discuss the issue. Remember, yesterday the Supreme Court had said that they would appoint a panel to look into the issue of the farm laws and the concerns that have been raised. So the Supreme Court replied to this, that matters of life and death, we are concerned with laws, we are concerned with lives and property of people affected. We're trying to solve the problem in the best way. One of the powers we have to suspend the legislation is what the Chief Justice has said. We have the power to appoint a committee which will submit to us. All those who are genuinely interested in solving the problem can then go before the committee. There are many opinions as farmers. We are going to take opinions of organizations. We want the committee for our purpose. Remember, yesterday the Supreme Court had said that they weren't experts on agriculture, etc., and they wanted a committee to actually go through all these matters and listen to all the various concerns and various voices that are being raised. So the Chief Justice also said members of the bar expected to show loyalty to the judicial process. This is not politics, it is judiciary. You will have to cooperate. You cannot come and tell all negative things. We want to solve the problem, and that's why making the committee give the names to us, we will decide. So the Supreme Court there saying that they will create this committee that will look into the issues that have been raised about farmers, and it will have various people on that committee to look at all the issues and concerns, and even those who are supporting the farm laws, and then report back to the Supreme Court. Well, Arvind joins us on the phone line for more. So, Arvind, the hearing today started, or the procedure started with ML Sharma talking about how farmers did not want to be a part of this committee, and the Supreme Court saying that they want this committee in place so that it can report back to them and, take into account all the various opinions and concerns that have been raised.
In fact, a day after the Supreme Court hinted that they are ready to form a committee to look into this issue, to negotiate between the protesting farmers and the government. And today, the Supreme Court has again listed the matter, and the hearing has just begun. Advocate ML Sharma, he appeared on behalf of some of the farmers, according to whom, because he is one of the petitioners also in this case. So he appeared before the committee. He appeared before the court, where he started saying that some of the farmers have reached out to him, saying that they don't want to present themselves before the committee. So that's where he started, and that's where the Chief Justice of India, he intervened, saying that this is a matter of life and death, and the court is actually looking to find a solution to this particular crisis. The farmers are protesting for the last 48 days, and that's where the Supreme Court is looking to find a solution in this matter, thereby creating a committee, thereby forming a committee so that both the sides can present their version before the committee, and the committee can report to the Supreme Court. So that's the observation that was made by the Chief Justice of India in the hearing that is going on now. So the CJ Bobde, he also gave some observation regarding the members of BAS, saying that they should be working for the judicial process here. They should not be making any political statements here. In fact, everyone should look to find a solution to this ongoing crisis. So the hearing is still underway, but the CJ has hinted again, saying that the court will form a committee, and it's up to the people, whoever wants to present themselves, whoever wants to join the committee to find a solution here, can approach the committee, can go to the committee, can present their views before the committee. So that's the observation that has been made by the CJ, and the hearing is still underway, but it looks like the Supreme Court will form a committee. In fact, the CJ has also sought the names who can be part of the committee. In fact, even in the last hearing, although the CJ said that R.M. Lodha, he suggested the former Chief Justice of India, R.M. Lodha, as one of the member of the committee. So even the central government will also have to pitch in. They also have to suggest names for this. So the hearing is underway. It comes a day after. Even yesterday evening, the Farmers Union, they also gave a statement saying that they do not want to go to a committee committee because the government is not ready to repeal the law. In such a case, even if they go and meet the committee, even if they go and present their case before the committee, unless and until the government is going to repeal the all these three contentious formulas, there is no point of going to different committees. So that was the stand that has been taken by the Farmers Union, but the CJ is hinting that the court will appoint a committee, and whoever is interested can approach the committee and give their versions there.